solve the bird puzzle. So friends, this is the knowledge bank too. Let's look inside. Now this is the pack of the bird puzzle pieces. Let's take them out. Here is duck. Let's put it here. Make enough space so that we can put the entire sheet here when all the pieces come together. Where's the body? There it is. This almost completes the duck, but we need to look for the tail. Here it is. Now let's look for it. The piece that goes here. Here it is. The pigeon. There you go. Let's find the rest of the part. That's the head. And the feet. Here's the pigeon. And this looks like the head crown. And this piece fits in here. Ah, that's the cock. Now this fixes to complete the cock. And this piece completes the pigeon too. This is the cock. We have a green color there, so let's fit in the green color somewhere here. That's the tail of a parrot. I think we're gonna make a sparrow out of it there. And here is a piece for the peacock. There's another piece that fits in. All the way the parrot is complete now. And let's look for the piece for the sparrow. There it is. We have the sparrow. That's the head of the sparrow. So friends, this is the sparrow. You see? Now we've got a piece for a peacock. That makes the feathers. And the body. Let's just figure out one more piece here. And let's see which one fits in here. Okay, these two go together here. Oh, that's the flamingo. And that's part of the crow. Almost. The flamingo goes here. I like the color pink. And the crow fits in here properly. Uh-oh. Fix it nice. There you go. Flamingo. Look at the shape of the bird. It's so beautiful. And this is the crow. We found the piece for the peacock. This is beautiful. So we have solved the bird puzzle. Yay! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! fun and learn. Please subscribe to our channel today.